Money rule number 1. The rich don't work for money. The rich use money as a tool, not as a reward. They don't trade time for money. They use money to buy freedom. Instead of saying, "How can I earn more?" they ask, "How can I make my money earn for me?" They build systems, businesses, and investments that work even when they sleep. If your income stops when you stop working, you're still playing the wrong game. Money rule number 2. Assets first. Lifestyle. Later, poor people buy things that look rich. Rich people buy things that make them rich. Every dollar is treated like a soldier. It must go out and bring back more dollars. They invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses before buying cars or luxury. Wealth grows when you delay lifestyle upgrades until your assets can pay for them. Money rule number 3. Use debt as a weapon, not to trap the poor. Use debt to buy things that lose value. The rich use debt to buy things that create value. They borrow to build, not to consume. Example: a poor person takes a loan for a car. A rich person takes a loan for an apartment that pays for the car. It is not about how much debt you have. It is about what that debt is doing. Money rule number 4. Taxes are for the uninformed. The rich don't avoid taxes illegally. They avoid them intelligently. They know the tax code rewards ownership, not employment. Employees get taxed before they spend. Business owners spend before they're taxed. They use companies, trusts, and investments to legally minimize taxes. Knowledge of tax laws is one of the richest forms of leverage. Money rule number 5. They buy time, the poor sell time. The rich buy it. They hire people, delegate, and automate tasks, because every hour they free up can be used to think, strategize, and create value. The goal isn't to stay busy, it's to stay effective. The rich focus on decisions that multiply time, not consume it. Money rule number 6. They master high-income skills. You'll never save your way to wealth. With average skills, the rich invest in knowledge that multiplies income: sales, leadership, investing, negotiation, communication. Every skill they master opens a new income stream. Money follows value, and value comes from skill. Money rule number 7. They think long-term, the poor chase quick results. The rich plan for decades. They understand the power of compound growth in money, learning, and relationships. They don't care about fast trends. They care about lasting value. That's why they get richer quietly while everyone else gets distracted loudly. Money rule number 8. They stay calm when others panic. When the market crashes, most people run. The rich buy it. When everyone's excited, they wait. They know emotion destroys logic, and logic builds fortune. They make decisions based on numbers, not feelings. In chaos, they see opportunity. Money rule number 9. They protect their privacy. The rich don't reveal everything. They keep their assets, strategies, and moves private. Why? Because attention attracts envy and risk. They use quiet companies, trusts, and shell structures to protect wealth. Power grows in silence. Exposure invites control. Money rule number 10. They never stop learning. The rich treat knowledge like currency. They read, study, and surround themselves with smarter people. Every new idea can be turned into leverage, and leverage creates freedom. They know the world changes fast, and information is wealth. The poor say, "I know that." The rich say, "What can I learn next?" Final message: apply the rules. Knowing these rules means nothing if you don't use them. The rich don't just understand money, they respect it. They studi italiano. They protect it. They make it work harder than they do. If you follow these same principles, you'll stop chasing money, and money will start chasing you.